across the southeast. You can see, though, folks who are not so warm, we've got snow rolling through the Dakotas, and we expect to see some wintry weather still for folks in the northern plains as we go through Minnesota, Wisconsin area, and Illinois. Showers, though, thunderstorms down to the south, really ramping up across the Midwest, and that's for today as well as tomorrow. They've had a risk of isolated tornadoes, a lot of wind with this system, and we've had snow reports too, some 3 to 4 inches in this northern zone here. Yeah, luckily we're not dealing with that, but we've got severe thunderstorm watches you see up in the pink, and we also have some tornado warnings right now in central parts of Oklahoma. So they're going to be dealing with a lot. Also some heavy rain possibilities for you. And with that, we've got the severe thunderstorm risk that continues to roll east tomorrow, and that's going to continue to build over parts of the Midwest as we see marginal risk that extends all the way through the Ohio River Valley, and it gets closer to us as we go into the next couple of days. So we'll take a look at that. Temperatures right now, your 24-hour temperature change, not much from where we were yesterday. We're going to have almost a repeat of today too for tomorrow. Maybe a few more clouds by late afternoon. A rumble of thunder not out of the question too. Current temperatures down to 69 in Winston-Salem, 71 in Greensboro. You've got some clouds in the mix out there with 61 in Galax. Dew point temperatures the upper 50s, low 60s. We're going to be watching those climb as we get close to Sunday. So it then becomes a little bit more humid, feeling a bit more of a summer pattern as we get you closer to your Sunday afternoon. Severe thunderstorm risk, non-severe expected for your Saturday. 1 or 2 though could roll up along the mountains, and then on Sunday we're going to watch that front closely as it progresses to the east. It could bring in a risk of isolated or to marginal risk of severe thunderstorms here from areas of Asheboro as we go south and east out toward Troy. So just on that northeast or southeastern corner rather, and then thunderstorms more likely for folks out there in the Triad and just eastern foothills if we get anything going. Your severe thunderstorm risk, what you could expect if we do see marginal risk going into your Sunday, limited duration typically, or it could be or intensity and or coverage, and of course heavy rain, hail, damaging wind, or tornadoes can happen with any severe thunderstorm. So I want to keep you posted on that as we get closer to it, but this is more of an isolated event. That's a level 1 risk for us. You can see pollen counts. We'd like to wash some of that out. We've got high levels when it comes to trees, and that might dip a little bit on Sunday, but for the most part through Monday we're expecting to see grasses reporting in the moderate range and low for also weeds. So we've got a lot going on out there. Showers and thunderstorms to our north starting to advance as we get you closer to your Sunday. What this looks like for us on our hour-by-hour forecast through noon, we're in the upper 70s. Spotty showers may start to form. You could see some heavier clouds, right? The darker clouds tomorrow afternoon. You may hear a rumble of thunder. Not a lot of rain on the ground, but we want to watch for those scattered showers and storms that could roll up into the mountains. They have the best chance to see that as we get you going through Sunday morning. Those scattered showers becoming more numerous and more widespread. Temperatures are mild as we get you into the early morning, mid to upper 60s. I think we're going to be in the 70s as we get the winds coming up still out of the west and southwest, and we'll be watching for that temperature shift. You can see here showers, maybe even isolated thunderstorms at this point. For our sunrise services, we may be soggy, or at least light showers having already hit the ground. So want to wear those rain boots if you are heading out for that. And then thunderstorms could blow up a little bit more through the afternoon. We'll be looking for that possibility with that marginal risk of severe storms. High temperatures at 61 degrees in the morning to near 82, gusts to 20 miles an hour possible on your Saturday. It's breezy and warm in the foothills from 60 degrees, warming to 80, and we've got you from 57 degrees. A nice cool start for the morning to near 70 for the afternoon. And yes, rain chances are higher as we get you through the evening hours. So this leaves us for our Easter sunrise service down into the 60s to upper 50s in the mountains, but rain is becoming much more likely, and we've got those shower possibilities throughout the day, keeping us in those upper 60s and low 70s, and then eventually cooling you off. All right, shower chances, we'll take a closer look at that coming up. At the 7-day forecast shows that we have frost concerns too that may develop as early as Wednesday morning as we dip into the 30s. Talking 70s eventually after a milder start to the work week.
So